Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get skins in Knockout Roblox fast and efficiently. So let's dive in. Now, if you want to stack skins quickly, your best friend is Ice, the main currency. You want to start by jumping into the lobby, tapping the settings, and from here, you want to enter codes like maps, likes, or love for 3 free wheel spins. That's instant drip to get you started. Next, you want to win rounds. You can earn about 10 ice per knockout and 20 ice for a full victory. And then you also want to check your quests. Don't skip your daily quest right over here on the left side of the screen because they reward spins and extra loot, as you can see from here. And when you're ready to spend, you want to head to the skin shop right over here. From here, you can buy sorts of things. As you can see here, from tier 1, you have different colors, tier 2, up to tier 4. You might want to try the dinosaur egg, this last part, 1850 ice. It has a 1% chance for legendary skins like Spino or T-Rex. And you want to click while to hatch. And don't worry about duplicates, they auto-delete. Lastly, you want to spin the wheel for bonus skins like Yeti or Cosmic. So just interact with this one and you can spin. And don't forget there's also a free skin in the lobby. So from here, exit this. At the very far, you'll get free skin once you do this jumping puzzle or this platforming puzzle. Oh, and by the way, by liking the game and joining a group, you also get 350 free ice right here. And quick safety tip, you want to hit the AFK button before shopping so you don't get knocked out mid-buy. So you want to click this, then equip everything in the skin menu and flex your full collection. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!